Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to you. How are you all?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Ma'am, your
All are
voice is
fine.
stuck.
I do prayer
Ma'am,
first. Do prayer, stand.
your voice is breaking, ma'am. ಒಂದು ಕೊಡು ತಗೋಬ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ Ma'am, your voice is strucking, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. Breaking, ma'am. Ma'am, your break.
Is it audible or not?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute. Everyone mute yourself, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute by yourself.
Ma'am. Ma'am, it's strucking.
Dear children, sit everyone. Sit. Tanisha, sit. Tanisha, sit.
Ma'am, it is not audible. Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. It's not audible, ma'am.
Now is it clear, children? Is it audible? Show the thumb. Show thumb. Is it audible? Okay. Take your English 1 textbook. English 1 grammar textbook you take and check. Be fast little bit, children. Yes, that one only. English 1 grammar textbook. In that, open page number 25. Open page number 25. Page number 25. Applications. Open page number 25. Applications. Have you all heard the word application, children? Have you all know about application? Have you all know? How many of you know? Raise your hand. How many of you know about application? If you have heard also, you can raise your hand. Have you all heard about application? Yes. See, children, application, it is a formal letter. See, few of your friends are showing their hands. They are raising hands. Dear children, see, application is a formal letter. Application is a formal letter. In last class, we have written a letter to our family members or our friends. Is it right? We written a letter to our friends and family members. Right. See, that is an informal letter. Okay, that is an informal letter. See, that does not contain any rules, regulations, or nothing else. Okay, but in application, this contains some rules and regulations. To write a letter, it contains some rules and regulations. Okay, here we have to use some greeting words like respected sir, respected ma'am. Okay, children, then here we have to write a letter at the top right side of the page. Okay, see, this is, assume that this is a page. Okay, in this page, we have to write the date at the top right corner. Okay, at the top right corner, we have to write the date. Okay, next, at the left side, we have to write to address to whom we are writing an application. Okay, see, we can ask a leave for principal ma'am, or we can ask a leave for class teacher. Is it or not? Here we are writing a letter to principal ma'am. Okay, so we have to write to address of principal ma'am here. Okay, to the principal. Okay, Siddiksha School of Excellence, Mulbagal. Next, we have to write a greeting. In informal letter, while writing a letter to friends or family members, we use dear, dear Tanmay, dear Tamogna, dear Niharika, dear Rashmi. Is it or not, children? So we are using a greeting word dear. But while writing an application, here we have to use respected. Okay, respected sir or respected ma'am. Understood, children? Respected sir or respected ma'am we have to write. Next, that contains a subject. I will show you one letter, children. See in textbook, you can see here the date, right? You can see the date. Is it or not? See in your textbook, children. The date is there, right? March 13. Open page number 107. Applications. Page number 107. Everyone open the textbook. Open this page. Like applications. Did you got? Everyone open. Open the textbook. Page number 107. What happened? In grammar part, open page number 107, that is applications. Got it? Everyone got? Okay. In that you can see, right, the date, and below that the principal. Sidiksha School of Excellence. Here we are studying in Sidiksha School, right? So here we have to write Sidiksha School of Excellence, Mulbagal. Okay. Next subject. Imagine that you are writing a leave letter asking 1 day permission. Okay. Because you are suffering from fever. Okay. That is a leave letter you are writing to your principal ma'am. So in subject, what you have to mention, children? In subject, what you have to mention? I am requesting to grant me a leave for 1 day. Okay, children, that is a subject. Okay, next contains the body of letter. See here, you can see like paragraph, right? This is a paragraph. Getting, children? That is called as body of letter. Okay. In informal letter also we've gone through about the body of letter, right? So after subject, next we have to write respected sir or respected ma'am, and then contains the body of letter. Okay. In body of letter, we can write in paragraph wise. Okay. In detail, we can explain. In brief also, we can tell our message to whom the application we are writing. Okay. After that, we have to write greeting like yours obediently. Okay. Or we can use yours faithfully. Okay, children. Yours obediently or yours faithfully. See, while writing an application, we should not write yours lovingly. Okay, that is wrong. We should not write yours lovingly. What we have to write? We have to write yours obediently or yours faithfully. Understood, children? Then put a signature. Put small signature. And next mention class or section register number like that. Understood, children? See, this is application means that is a formal letter which we can write to any organization or industry, schools, offices, or government offices also. Okay, children? This is a letter to which we write a requisition or a letter to any government offices or any industries or any organizations, companies. Okay, children? Understood? Application is a formal letter. Okay. Writing letter to friends or family members, that is an informal letter. Okay. Now I will show you one letter. Okay. I will share an image. Everyone listen carefully, children. At last, if you didn't understand means, you can ask me. Now, can you see this, children? Can you watch this? Is it visible? Okay. See here, children, where I written date here. Everyone fold your hands and sit. Don't touch phone screen. Okay, fold your hands and sit straight. Tamogna, sit straight. See, children, this is first example letter in your textbook I am going to teach you. Okay. Prapti, don't touch phone. Kritiya, don't touch. Sit straight, fold your hands. Each and every time I have to tell you. Want you know about how to sit in the class? Hold your hands and sit. Don't touch phone or phone screen. Some scratches will be there, children. Sumant, on your video and sit. Why did you made it off? How can I see you? Everyone must on your video and sit, children. Okay. Now you can see a letter, right? You can see letter, right? Here I have written date at the top right corner of the page. Okay. Kritya, remove your hand from mouth. Is this a way to sit in class? Sit straight. Don't bend or lean like this. Sit straight. Here we have to write date at the top right corner of the page. Understood, children? See, date I written here is March 13, 2021. Okay. Here, this is a letter. I will read question, go through with it, children. An application for remission of fine. An application for, have you heard remission, children? Remission means paying a penalty. Okay, penalty. See, if we return library book late means we have to pay fine of ₹5 or ₹10. Okay, that we call it as a remission of fine. Question is, Ashok Kumar, a student of class 5th B. Who is Ashok? Ashok is a student of class 5th standard B section. In which school he is studying? In Government Senior Secondary School, Ghaziabad. Was fined ₹5. He has fined ₹5 for returning the library books late. He is returning library books late, so the library sir has told him to pay ₹5 penalty to the library office. Okay, got it, children? Understood the question? If you understood question, show the thumb. Ashok Kumar is a student of class 5th standard B section of Government Senior Secondary School, Ghaziabad. Okay, he has to pay ₹5 for returning library books late. Okay, so he wrote the following application to the principal of his school for remission of fine. For paying a penalty, he is writing an application to the principal of his school. Okay, children. So the date first we have to write. Okay, March 13, 2021. Okay, that should be at the top right corner of the page. Understood? Next, after that, next line we have to write. To whom we are writing? We are writing a letter to principal of the school. Okay, or HM of the school. So here we have to write the principal. The principal. School name is Government Senior Secondary School, Ghaziabad. Instead of this, here we can write the principal, Sidiksha School of Excellence, Mulbagal. Understood, children? First we have to write date and next we have to write to address. To whom we are writing. Okay? To address we have to write. Got it, children? Everyone understood till here? Show your thumb. Let me check. Those all understood? Cherish? Suman? Okay. Suman, what is your doubt? Okay. I am checking. Be like that only, children. Okay. Okay, children. Everyone understood, I think so. So, after to address, we have to write sir or ma'am. Kritiya, you have any doubt? Unmute from your side.
Ma'am, we should write a date that one only, ma'am. March 13, 2021.
It is not like that. On which date we are writing a letter, that day's date only we have to write. Assume that today you are writing letter to principal ma'am. So which date you have to write? Asking leave. Today's date only you have to write a date, right? Okay. This is only for example I written the date. Okay. On which date you are writing an application, that date only you have to write. Understood? Okay. After to address, we have to write subject. Okay. Ashok is writing a requisition letter for condemning the fine. Condemning means unacceptable. Unacceptable. As you see, children, where is pen? See, what is the cost of this pencil? Is that this cost 500? Does pencil cost 500? No. If I told you to pay rupee 500 and then take the pencil, means what you will tell? No, it is not acceptable. Yes, it is not acceptable. We can't pay 500 rupees to this pencil. That is unacceptable. Okay. If this pencil cost is rupees 2 means, is it acceptable? Yes, it is acceptable. So you will take by paying rupees 2 for this pencil, right? Condemning means, that means unacceptable. Okay. He is paying rupees 5 to the school. That is unacceptable. Okay. That is unacceptable. Fine he is paying. Okay. So he is writing a requisition letter for principal ma'am for this unacceptable penalty fine. Understood? That is the subject we have to write. If we are writing a leave letter, means what is the subject we have to mention here? A requisition letter for requesting 1 day leave. Okay, children? A request for 1 day leave. That is also simple in one sentence we can write. Okay. A request leave letter. That like that also we can write. Understood how to write the subject? Okay, children? Understood everyone? Show the thumb, children. If you show the thumb means, then only I can move to next one. Okay? Everyone? Okay, all are very good. Two active children you all are. Rapti, did you got baby? Did you understood? Okay, very fun, very good. All are very good children. You all are sending homework regularly. You are attending classes regularly. Very good children. Who is this? Aarti, you yarning there? You will feel like sleepy. Huh? No. Okay. Okay, children. So after subject, we have to mention greeting word. Okay. Here, before this, sir, we have to mention respected sir. Okay. Respected sir or respected ma'am. That is the greeting word which we have to use in an formal letter or writing an application. Okay. Respected sir or respected ma'am. Understood greeting word? Okay. After this, it contains a body of letter which contains two or more sentences. Okay, here in brief, we can write a message which contains a body of letter. Okay, children. Here, Ashok is writing a message that I borrowed 2 books from the school library last month. Here, I means who? I means Ashok Kumar. Okay. I borrowed 2 books from the school library last month. I forgot to return the books on time. He is telling that he forgot to return books on time to the school. So the librarian has fined me rupees 5. So what librarian has done? Librarian officer sir had made him to pay rupees 5 as a fine. So in next paragraph he is telling, I am sorry for this delay. Delay means late. Okay. He is returning book late to the library office. So he is asking sorry. Okay. He is telling that I am sorry for this delay. I assure. Assure means promising. Okay, children. I assure you. You means which is specifying to principal sir or ma'am. Okay, he is telling sorry to principal. I am sorry for this delay. I assure you that I shall be careful in future. He is telling that in future he is not going to repeat the submission of book late. Okay, kindly remit this fine. So he is requesting to remit, to means he is asking to not to pay rupees 5. Okay. Remit means deduction, reduce, or he can't able to pay rupees 5 to the school. For that he is asking sorry. I will be careful for next further days. Kindly remit this fine. Kindly less this fine. He is asking to remove his fine. Okay, he is asking that he can't able to pay rupees 5 to the library office. So he is writing a requisition letter that to less his rupees 5. Okay, to less the fine or to less the penalty fees. Okay, children, this is a body of letter which contains a detailed message of a subject. Okay, next is yours obediently. Here, instead of yours obediently, we can also use yours faithfully. Understood? Yours obediently or yours faithfully. Below that, you have to put a signature. Chandan and Lakshmi, remove your hand on the phone. Yours obediently. Below that, you have to put a signature. Okay. Next, you have to write from address. So, Ashok Kumar, he written his address. His address is Ashok Kumar. In which class he is studying? 5th standard, B section. Okay, Ashok Kumar, class 5th, B section. Etanshi, remove your hand on the phone. Next, roll number. Okay, children, that is from address. Okay, it should also be in the left side. It should be at the last of a letter. That is the last section of the letter. Understood, children? Now take your textbook, children. Take your textbook. In that, there are another 3 letters. Okay. In textbook, there are another 3 example letters are there. Okay. In second letter, an application for school leaving certificate. An application for school leaving certificate. That is, he is asking for TC. Okay, transmission certificate. That is second one. Once you read this second application letter. Okay, children. Anjali's father has been transferred to Jaipur. She is also going away to Jaipur. She writes the following application to the principal of her school to obtain the school leaving certificate. School leaving, Leaving. Leaving means permanently she is coming out from that school. So she is asking a TC to the principal, sir. Okay. So she is writing a requisition letter to principal of her school. Okay. So this letter, once you have to read. Okay. Read and write once in your homework book. Okay. Second letter you have to write in your homework book. Okay, children. And next, these two only to read by yourself. No need to write. Okay. Read by yourself that how the application we have to write. Okay. This helps to improve how to write an application by yourself. From next time onwards, you can write a leave letter by yourself to your class teacher or principal ma'am. Understood, children? This is only for reference. Okay. But second one, leaving certificate, you have to write in your homework book. Okay. One more letter in the practice part, I will teach you. Hitashi, you having doubt? You have any doubt? Unmute from your side. Yes. Hitanshi, ask your doubt. Prithya, you also having doubt? Unmute.
Ma'am, you told this we should write in classwork, no ma'am. In test also we should write.
No, ma'am. Letter writing, first I taught you, right? Writing letter to friends and family.
Yes, ma'am.
The revision you right, you have to go through only with that. This will be for next test, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Hitanshi, unmute from your side. What is your doubt? Hitanshi. Prithya, mute by yourself.
Ma'am?
What is your doubt?
Ma'am?
Yes, tell me. Be fast, don't waste time.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, what is your doubt?
Ma'am? Ma'am, I can't hear you anything, ma'am.
Everyone can listen, okay? Only from your side network problem issue is there. Some little bit outside.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else you can go through with the recorded link.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, once again, I will teach you one letter in the practice part. Okay. Everyone listen carefully, children. Don't look that side and this side. See, first I will read a question. There is no proper arrangement for clean drinking water in your school. Okay. Imagine that in school there is no clean drinking water. So write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to make arrangements for providing clean drinking water for all the students. Okay. Assume that in your school there is no clean drinking water. So you are writing a requisition letter to the principal for school requesting him to make an arrangement, okay, to provide clean drinking water for all the students. Okay, children, understood the question? You are writing a requisition letter to the principal regarding to arrange a clean drinking water to all the students in school. So what first we have to write? We have to write date at the top right corner of the page. Where we have to write the date? We have to write at the top right corner of the page. Next, we have to write to address. To whom we are writing? We are writing to principal. So we have to mention principal address. To the principal, Gateway Public School, Hyderabad. So instead of this, we can mention our school address. Okay, children. Next, mention respected sir or respected ma'am. Then put a comma. Next, contains the body of letter, means which contains a detailed message of subject. A detailed message of subject, that is, most respectfully I request to state. Here you are respectfully asking principal ma'am or principal sir to state that as you already know, means as to the thought of everyone, principal has know that health is very important for the students. Is it or not, children? Health is very important for everyone. So the health is very important for the students and for keeping good health. There should be clean and healthy surroundings. In our school also there is a clean and healthy surrounding, right? We use a filtered water to drink, right, children? It should be clean, and the surroundings where we live, it should be clean. Then only we can get a good health. I want to draw your attention to the arrangement of drinking water in our school. So the student is asking to make an attention. For what purpose? To arrange a clean drinking water in school. It is no longer as clean as it used to be earlier. Means before this, the water is not clean. It is very ugly or it is not cleaned. Okay. So it is no longer as clean as it is used to be earlier. Means he is requesting that since till now, the water tank has not been cleaned. The water is dirty. If we drink the dirty water, means what will happen, children? The health will get upset. Tamongna, what you doing there? Tamongna, Teja,